Welcome to mymaths.in. Now we are going to learn multiplication 2 digit by 1 digit from left to right. Let us take the example 41 times 4. So we write like this 41 times 4. So 4 4 16. So in this 16 what we do is we'll take the tens place 1 as our first digit and we'll pass on the 6 as 60 to the right side, next part. So out of 16 I'm keeping 1 here and passing 6 as 60 to the next part. Now the second multiplication is 4 times 1. So 4 times 1 is 4 and the passed 60 we will add. So 60 plus 4 times 1 is 64. So 41 times 4 is 164. So this way we can write the answer left to right by passing the digits. Here the rightmost part should have 2 digits. Next example, let us say 21 times 3. So here always we have to write the multiplication as a 2 digit number. So here 3 times 2 is 6, but here we write the single digit 6 as 06. So retaining the 0 we'll pass on 60 to the next part. Retaining the 0 we'll pass on 60 to the next part. Now next part multiplication is 3 times 1. So 3 times 1 is 3. So 60 plus 3 is 63. So because the 0 is there on the left hand side, we ignore it. So the final answer is 63. So here one thing we have to remember, whenever the part is there with a single digit, we have to write that as a 0 and that digit. Going for the next example, 78 times 4, we'll take 7 times 4 is 28. Here the rule is the next part, after adding the next part should not be more than 100. So here if we are writing the 28, 2 and passing 80 and observing that the next part is more than 20, 4 times 8 is more than 20. So by observing that what we do is we convert the number as 3 and minus 20. 28 can be written as 30 minus 2, that is 3 and minus 2. So retaining the tens part, that 3 we retain, and minus 2 in the units place passed as minus 20 to the next part, that is the right part of the answer. So understanding this, 7 4s 28, passing 80 is difficult. So what we do is, because 80 when we are passing and addition to that more than 20 is coming, so it is a 3 digit number. So to avoid rearranging and all, what we do is, by assuming that we write the 28 as 30 minus 2, retain 3 and pass minus 20. Minus 2 is passed as minus 20. Now 8 4 is 32, 32 minus 20 is 12. 32 minus 20 is 12. So 312 is my final answer. Thank you.